Good morning, teacher. I am the student Dairo Alexander Castro Gutierrez. This is my presentation referring to the different situations in the network relate to the people's lives. Before we use Skype or Microsoft Messenger to chat with people from all over the world. Since the means whereby chat, voice, video card, seeing with the weapon on a mandatory camera and microphone on the computer. But always this connecting was limited to the computer. Yes, I was already using WhatsApp, use a platform to send messages, but it was like chatting, being aware that with the sound the beats with which you can tell either to someone you are dealing with in person or would use on the other side of the world until you don't have thoughts in person. Use magical and with the world. Less for me. It changes the way we understand human relationship and inseparable by four virtual and analog relates. They are uh, born human beings, both experiencing sensation and emotions, and we mm, can have a bone and closing as long as we allow use services to generate it. The connection giving traditional arbitrary is with one in that weight. Digital security is constant of the entered various aspects of for lives and without and do is already rights at work within less leisure and much more. Teacher, thank you very much.